The theme of this discussion will be orchestrated mechanism of protests to control levers of daily lives of Kashmir society, perpetuation of human rights violations through denial of livelihood, education, and normalization of lives. The participants, speakers would be, one of the speakers is me, is Mr. Raja Munib. I'll briefly introduce them, then they can also introduce themselves when they are speaking. Mr. Raja Munib is a freelance columnist and an opinion writer. He writes on various issues. We have Mr. Tariq Rashid Malik. He's a political analyst, a columnist, a debater, and a Sufi expert. Then it's an honor, it's a privilege to introduce Mr. Vijay Dar. He is a renowned, he needs no introduction, but if I may, he's an educationist who has inspired a generation. People like me see him, look up to him when in any sphere of life, whether it's education, when we talk about education is an inclusive process. So wherever we go in our lives, somebody becomes a doctor, a philosopher, somebody joins military, police, we look up to philosophers like Vijay sir. Okay. So these are our speakers. Before I introduce the first speaker, the question that came up to me and I was not able to answer because of paucity of time was that वो था ना वो शाहरुख खान का फिल्म था कि my name is Khan and I'm not a terrorist. So वैसे ही मैंने कहा कि my name is West and I'm not an agent. So it was actually वो context जैसे आप देखो तो वो कर दो फिर, ठीक है? तो the goat of Gulkak is a character, Kashmiri name of an old person. Gulkak, we all know. Even the goat of Gulkak is an agent here. What do I mean by that is, when I walk into a classroom, I teach Constitution of India. And when I teach Constitution of India, I don't tell my students that this is good or this is bad, whether this Constitution is noble or whether this Constitution is evil. I teach them. I'm supposed to teach them neutrally. Academicians across the board have to maintain their neutrality. When I teach them the flag, I tell them the significance of the flag. What does this green represent? What does this white represent? What does this saffron represent? And why is white in between all those colors? What does this emblem signify for? It's a collective emblem. It represents people finally. And then I leave it to them कि आपको अच्छा लगता है कि बुरा लगता है ये. अच्छा है तो जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को जलाते हैं इसमें तो लिखा है with the people of India, democracy, socialism, secularism, rule of law. ऐसी philosophy है इसमें. Gandhian thought of Tagore, of Nehru, of Phule, thought of Iqbal, if I may argue. ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमें वो जगह देता है where the head is held high, Tagore. तो फिर मैं बच्चे को बोलता हूँ कि आप खुद बता दो कि ये अच्छा है या बुरा है, because if he thinks it's बुरा, then let's agree to disagree. यही तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी बोलता है आर्टिकल 19 में, यही तो बोलता है, 21 में भी बोलता है, right to life and liberty. You have to respect an individual's liberty. ये individual है. Constitution is sacrosanct, so is an individual. You have to strike a balance. So therefore जब मैं कहता हूँ कि मैं कोई एजेंट नहीं हूँ, मेरा क्या मतलब होता है? मेरा ये मतलब होता है कि भाई मुझे टैग मत करो आप कि ये यहाँ पर क्या है, ये मुसलमान है, अब ये शिया है, ये सुन्नी है, ठीक है, ये अब शिया का एजेंट है. मैं छोटी सी एग्जांपल दूँ. अभी हमारे प्यारे नबी का जो था उनकी ईद थी और हमने मनाया. Prophet in his entire life, my great prophet, my beloved prophet in his entire life did not laugh. He smiled politely because laughing constituted bad manners. Prophet in his entire life, unlike me, never raised his voice because it constituted bad manners. Prophet will tell a lady that you wear a bangle, but do not wear two bangles. Why? Because it creates noise. It's bad manners, not for anything else. Please don't look into gender things here. And when my prophet says that he says, you are not among me if you do not behave very well and modestly with everybody, Muslims as well as non-Muslims. Prophet was sitting down on a charpoy and a non-Muslim died. He stood up. His followers, companions said, Prophet, why did you stood up? He was a non-Muslim. He said, was he not a human being? I'm a prophet of humanity, of even animals. Kindness as well as compassion, that is my prophet. And in his name you're sloganeering, you're using a loudspeaker, you're taking out rallies in the name of this great prophet. Is this Islam? Is this the teaching of Prophet Muhammad? So then when I say things like these, this does not go well with all the status quos. इट डज नॉट गो, देन आई एम डब्ड एज एन एजेंट. एंड जिसको जो कन्वीनियंट लगे वो उस सेंस का मुझे एजेंट बना देता है. दैट्स व्हाट आई मेंट व्हेन आई सेड कि आई एम नॉट एनीबॉडीज एजेंट, आई एम एन एकेडमिशियन एंड आई विल टॉक न्यूट्रली.